Then we have Monkey Zaki saying that Facebook is terrible. Such an unprofessional system. 80% of accounts get banned for such sensitive yet legal reasons. I would have to agree with you. For some reason, I wouldn't say that they are terrible or unprofessional. Now, in my opinion, what Facebook is trying to do here is they're trying to validate, especially Facebook advertisers. They want to make sure that your account is not handled by a bot. So in fact, the other day, I have a coaching client from the state. She never advertised before, but her ad account got banned. I mean, she was informed by Facebook saying that, oh, we are restricting your ability to run ads because of some suspicious whatever. All you need to do is to validate your ID. That's it. That's what they want. So once you validated your ID, they know that you are a real human and you're good. Actually, it's that simple. It's not complicated at all. So I think what Facebook is trying to do here is they're trying to make sure that everybody who run ads are real people so that they can actually have better control over their advertisement. So it's not a big deal. So yeah, Monkey Zaki. So if there's anything happen, look for the option. Always follow the steps that they are giving you to see what they are asking you to do. So everything will be fine.